So it's annual pass holder appreciation month here at Universal Studios, so that means there's new food, new drinks, they also have some new merch, and today, since we have a lot of time, we're gonna try some secret drink menu items at Harry Potter World that we've never had before. So, first, we gotta start off with this drink here. It looks crazy. I hope it tastes pretty good. I don't know.
No. I think I'm gonna do that.
Alright.
So this is the Banana Split Frappuccino. It is an annual pass holder exclusive for pass holder days. It is available in the Starbucks in front of Islands of Adventure by the Hulk. It is a little bit more expensive than the normal Starbucks Frappuccino. I think this was like $8.99 for a medium. It looks super good. It doesn't look like it's gonna taste like banana. To me, it kind of looks like a chocolate covered strawberry because it's got the strawberry and the chocolate, but I'm super excited to try this. I think I'm gonna give it a stir first. I don't normally get Frappuccinos from Starbucks because they're kind of like really, really sweet. This isn't really sweet. It kind of reminds me of like a smoothie almost. It does have the chocolate. It's got chunks of banana in it. That kind of gives me the smoothie vibe, and then the strawberry puree is super good. This is really unique. They don't normally do things like this in the United States Starbucks. I've seen a lot of cool Frappuccinos, but they're normally in like the UK or Japan Starbucks. So this is really exciting that we finally got something cool. Okay, so just remember this specialty of Frappuccino is only available in the Islands of Adventure Starbucks by the Hulk, so they will not have it in Studios or City Walk, unfortunately. But since this is an annual pass holder exclusive, it's kind of weird that they don't really check that. So anyone can really get this, which is odd. Why have an exclusive if they don't scan your pass or anything? So like Disney, they scan your pass for anything that's annual pass holder, but here at Universal they don't. So I don't know, kind of odd.
So the comic shop here at Marvel Superhero Island has some of the coolest merch you could buy if you're a Marvels fan, and what they have in here is ridiculous right now. They usually change it out. Usually there's something new here every month. So let's go look. They have Doctor Strange as Iron Man. It's ridiculous. They have a Tron looking Iron Man. So before we leave Marvel Superhero Island, I did want to mention to you guys that this booth over here had a chorizo dog. We did try it. It was horrible for us, but other people did like it. They did get rid of it. It's not on the menu anymore. So I think we did a good job by telling you guys not to get it, because now nobody can get it. It's pretty fun. So next we're gonna head over to Confisco's. We have lunch reservations there. We're gonna try out the pass holder item, and we're gonna check out their pass holder area for you guys. So let's head on over there. So we stopped in Confisco's, the second best restaurant here, because obviously you have the best theme park restaurant in the world. Is that what that thing said? The world? But a lot of people skip over Confisco because the greatest theme park restaurant in the world is just across the park. But Confisco has amazing food. So we came here in hopes that they would have the annual pass holder item here, which is the Wagyu sliders, but they don't have it anymore, which is kind of sad because it just started on Monday. So the first weekend of annual pass holder appreciation month, they don't have one of their items. So instead, we got one of our favorite appetizers in the parks, the ahi tuna nachos, and they always look fantastic. There's always enough for 2 people, and it's always amazing. So the ahi tuna nachos comes with seared ahi tuna, diced avocado, edamame, cabbage, wonton chips, jalapenos, micro cilantro, scallions, sweet soy, and wasabi drizzles. And it always looks amazing. We've had this so many times. Like I said, it's our favorite appetizer to get here at the parks, and it always looks amazing. The ahi tuna is always fresh, and the sauces are always good. So like I said, it's annual pass holder appreciation month, so Confisco opened up their outdoor seating up top of the restaurant. They do have a upstairs that they usually host like private events in, but they opened it up for pass holders for the month, so you just have to request it. When you make your reservation, put it in the notes, or when you get here, you can just ask the hostess if you could sit upstairs. It only starts at 12, and then it runs until 30 minutes before the park closes. So if you get here before 12, like we got here at 12, and we had to wait a little bit for them to open up the upstairs, but we got up here. You get fantastic views of the park. You can see the Hulk, you can see Hogwarts, you can see the Lost Continent, you can see everything from up here. It's really nice. The only problem right now is it's kind of hot and they don't have this fan running. So a little steamy up here, but we'll survive. What's cool about Confisco's as well is that they have a bar, a walk-up bar that you can go to, except from the entrance to the restaurant. You just come around the side. It's called the Backwater Bar. You can get fantastic drinks there, really good drinks. We actually tried some in a previous video. I'll link it right up top here, but really cool, and there's barely anybody ever in there. So you can just walk up, get a drink, walk right out, no problem. So some suggestions on what to get here as your like main course, since we just got an appetizer today, is the sticky ribs are amazing. They're to die for, and they also have a pork belly sandwich, which is really good if you like pork belly, but they also have these fried green tomatoes, which I hate tomatoes, but their fried green tomatoes here are just amazing. I believe it's the same fried green potatoes you get. Did I say green potatoes? I think it's the same fried green tomatoes that they put on the sandwich that we had at Mardi Gras this year, which was amazing as well. So definitely try that if you're into that. They do have some really good pad thai, which Saber gets sometimes when she comes here. So a lot of stuff on the menu for a variety of people. So the two restaurants here at Islands of Adventure that are like your sit down typical restaurants, waiter comes to you, get your food and drinks, are Confisco's and Mythos. So in the comments below, let me hear you guys. What is your preferred place to go, Mythos or Confisco's? And if you've never been to either, let me know why you never know. Let me know what your favorite quick service food is here on the parks. I really want to know what everybody's eating in the comments below. Now let's go check out that new pass holder lounge. So right behind me is the new location for the annual pass holder lounge. They moved it from Hollywood at Universal Studios over here to Toon Lagoon at Islands of Adventure. It is basically the same thing, but if you've never been into the annual pass holder lounge before, let me tell you about it. They scan your annual pass at the door, so it is exclusive like they say. And it's just a cool place to hang out. They got some really good AC. They do have a case for soda and water. You do have to pay for it. And they have a ton of merch all over the store with all your annual pass holder needs. Today, they were giving out free samples of a limited edition flavored Coke. They're little shots. Pretty good, I have to say so myself. And this new location does have ports for chargers. They have USB ports and normal power cord ports. I don't know what you would call it, but it's in there. Really cool place. Kind of smaller, honestly, in my opinion, than the one next door. But, I mean, I guess that's subjective. There is like they did put the merch directly in the middle of the store, so it's kind of like you have to wrap around. Very strange. Also, there was a ton of people in there, so maybe that made it feel busier than it'd actually be on a day where they're not just opened up. But yeah, annual pass holder lounge. Check it out if you're annual pass holder. If not, why aren't you an annual pass holder? Just kidding. I don't know. Let's go do something else. I feel like this wall is an optical illusion, because like you'd be like, oh no, I can't get through, and then you're just like, oh wait, I can.
And then you just have to like look.
It's just a wall. Is it just a wall? No. Optical illusion.
You're in any sort of danger here in Jurassic World. No expense is being spared to make sure you guys are safe. Just, I recommend putting on closed-toed shoes, right? You have to run. Why are you running? Why are you running? Oh, you were just in a hurry. I got worried.
Okay, so we took a pit stop into Hogshead to do one of our favorite things in the park, grab drinks. But this time they're going to be off the secret menu in Harry Potter World, and they're two that we have never had before, so just a little bit more exciting. I decided to try the Hogs tea, which in theory is kind of like a Long Island iced tea. It was $14.25. You're only able to purchase this drink at Hogshead, so keep that in mind if you're wanting to try this one. It's vodka, gin, rum, tequila mixed with sour mix, raspberry iced tea, and then a splash of the pear cider. There's a lot of alcohol in there, so I'm scared, but we're gonna give it a try. Honestly, it's not bad. I was terrified because of all the liquors in here, but honestly, I can't taste any of them. It just tastes like tea and lemonade. So dangerous. I would give it a 5 out of 5. It's refreshing, it doesn't taste like alcohol, and if you're looking for something to take the edge off, then
So I got the Hog's Bite, which is Strongbow mixed with Hog's Head Ale. So I had to, of course we're gonna go to Hog's Head, so I gotta get the Hog's Head Ale mixed in there. And I love these beers, mixing beer ciders, ales, and all that. They do have the triple or Deathly Hollows at the same location where they mix 3 different types of beers, which is Guinness, Hogshead, and Strongbow. Yeah, let's try this. So it's like a hoppy Strongbow. It's kind of weird. You get the Strongbow at first, but then you get the hoppiness on the back end of it. Very strange. So if you like the taste of Strongbow, but you just wish there was some hoppiness to it for some reason, this is it. So on a really hot day like now, I'm sweating. Something cool, refreshing like a Strongbow, but has the tartness of an ale. Fits really nicely. I like it a lot. 5 out of 5. Is it my favorite? No. Deathly Hollows will always be my favorite, but this is a close second. So May 9th is the last day for Poseidon's Fury, and they have these shirts, but they sold out of the shirts, and I can't get a shirt. So, it's alright. We'll just wait until, I don't know, until I can buy it off of somebody else. I don't know. But, buy Poseidon's Fury. Are we gonna ride it one more time? Absolutely not. But, sad to see it go. On to bigger and better things, I guess. What do you hope they put here?
An arcade.
An arcade.
Yeah, but it has to be the size of that.
An arcade.
Like a Dave and Buster's.
I hope they put a bowling alley in there.
Bowling alley? There could be a bowling alley in the arcade.
Could there?
Yeah.
It could be like a whole
Like
Chuck E.
a Dave and
Cheese.
Buster's.
Oh, well, yeah.
The laser tag and everything. Would that not be cool?
That would be pretty cool. Axe throwing?
That's
Throw some axe throwing in there? No, it's not a waiver and it'll be fine.
Somebody's gonna die if there's axe
King
throwing.
Julian can be in the middle.
King Julian can this can be King Julian's arcade.
Love it.
It fits.
Take
way
notes.
better than Poseidon's.
Take notes, Universal. Poseidon's
You heard it
Arcade.
here first. So I have finished about half of this and I am feeling it. So this drink works. It is strong. I knew it was, but here's for science. It's strong. In the description of like the secret menu on Google, it does say that it is the strongest drink at Hogshead, and I mean, I believe them, but here I am. It's true. So the trading company has just put something on the shelves that is just adorable. So we're gonna go inside and check it out. Come on, Sean. Look how cute he is. He looks like a wizard.
You're a wizard, Bear.
Oh, look at his little outfit.
You got little trousers on.
He's like a Build-A-Bear. That's so cute. Okay, so they have had this one with the sweater and the little pants on it, which is adorable, but come on now. The wizard one, this is brand new and this is cute. I want this. Look at it. Look at its little... So this may sound expensive. This bear is $40, but it does come with the outfit, and I looked it up. Build-A-Bear has Harry Potter themed bears as well. You get the bear, you get the outfit, and they come with a wand, but they're $71. Which this one, they only have the red one. Build-A-Bear has Slytherin, Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, all the different colors, so it's a little bit more expensive there.
So, not only do they have these plush toys, but over here, they have these prints. Now these prints, I have a bone to pick with these prints. So these prints are very expensive. So this print right here, kind of basic. You get off of Etsy. It is $129 for this. Now it is number 26 of 1,000. So you do get the certificate of authenticity, but come on, what? That's not even the worst. You get a map of Diagon Alley. Really cool, really awesome, but it's a print. It's 104 of 1,000. This thing is $209. Jeez. But you do get your certificate of authenticity, but just get this off of Etsy for like 20 bucks. I don't know. Very strange.
So since we weren't able to get the annual pass exclusive food item at Confisco's, we decided to try the one that they have at Voodoo Doughnut, which is the Holada Horchata donut. Sounds amazing. It's based off of horchata, obviously, which is cinnamon vanilla type beverage, so it sounds delicious. Sounds like it's gonna taste like a cinnamon roll. This is a filled donut, so it does have like a custard type filling. Apparently not. I mean, it's really good. I don't know if it's anything special. I've had donuts like this before. It just has the plain vanilla custard like filling, and then it just has the cinnamon sugar on the outside. Don't get me wrong, it is delicious, but I don't know if it's anything special, and it was like $4. So, like 3 out of 5. It's okay. It's good. I don't know. It's something like different for you guys to try, but Voodoo does have a lot of unique donuts. Like we grabbed a few just for us to take home, and they're a lot prettier than the one that's special. Like this Miami Vice Berry donut is beautiful. It's bright pink and blue. I feel like that one excites me a little bit more than the special one. But they have insane lines, so if for some reason you want to wait 2 hours in a line for a unique donut, then go for it. But that's going to be it for us. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you love the video, hit the subscribe button. If you're interested in more Universal content, we do a lot of unique food videos and different tips and tricks. So click on the video below me or click on our Universal playlist. We have a lot of great videos. Goodbye.